me be very precise. Ayurveda is not rejected because of being unscientific. Ayurveda is rejected because it follows a complete different scientific paradigm. Modern sciences is built on reductionism, like just break the body into organs, then break the organs into tissues, break the tissues into cells, and break the cells into molecules, and then treat that molecule. And Ayurveda never accepted the reductionism as a complete truth. And also, it follows the system biology long before the term itself existed. In Ayurveda, disease is not an object. Disease is a whole process. That's why in Ayurveda, it never asks that which drug kills which organism. It asks which imbalance created this disease. Let's talk very specific. Modern sciences discovered homeostasis in 19th century. In Ayurveda, long before 2000 years ago, Ayurveda described as a dosh shamya. Now people say that Ayurveda don't have any clinical trials, Ayurveda don't have proof. Yes, Ayurveda don't believe in clinical trials because Ayurveda does not work on average population. It works on individual variability. Modern trials eliminates variables, but Ayurveda works on variables like ahar, vihar, des, kal, bal. These are all variables which depends on individuals. Let's take example. If two patients have hypertension, modern gives the same medicine, but Ayurveda asks which dose imbalance is there, whether Agni is Mandagni, Samagni, or the Samagni. It asks that which is the place. It is Sadhara, Jangal Pradesh, or Anu Pradesh. It asks that what is your bal, what is your sar of your dhatus, what is your oj. It asks everything. So it is not unscientific. It is hyper science. And lastly, Ayurveda don't say that, okay, take these pills and forget your life. No, Ayurveda says that just start taking care of your life or forget your life. That's it.